Number 1. British Guiana 1C Magenta 1856, price $9.48 million. The British Guiana 1C Magenta is the most valuable rare stamp in the world. In 1856, the British Guiana Post Office issued the initial run of 1C Magenta stamps for use in newspaper circulation. When an expected shipment of the stamps went missing, an emergency run was produced as a stopgap measure. The printers of this emergency run added a small boat to the stamp, which can be seen faintly on the face of the stamp underneath the signature of Postal Clerk E.D. Wright, distinguishing it from the official stamp run. Only one copy of this emergency print run is known to exist. The sole surviving copy was first discovered by a young boy in 1873 who sold what would become known as the rarest stamp in the world for 6 shillings. The stamp quickly rose in value as collectors realized the rarity of the little octagon the boy had stumbled upon. It has since traded hands across the world many times, with shoe designer and collector Stuart Weitzman currently possessing it. The final price of $9.48 million made it the most expensive single stamp sale in the world, the 4th time the British Guiana 1C Magenta has broken that record. Number 2. Triskelion Yellow 1855, price $2.6 million. The 1855 Triskelion Yellow is a color error of one of the very first stamps issued in Sweden. The 3-skilling stamp was usually printed in a blue-green, but an unknown printing error led to a batch of yellow stamps briefly being circulated in the 1850s. Only one Triskelion Yellow is known to have survived, though these stamps were printed in sheets of 100, leaving many to speculate that there are more waiting to be found. In 2010, Baron Jean-Claude Pierre Ferdinand Gunther André and his wife claimed to have stored 9 separate Triskelion Yellow stamps in a trunk inside a Clydesdale bank vault in London. The vault was allegedly broken into and the stamps were stolen, leading the powerful couple to file a lawsuit against the bank. Both philatelists and the court found the claim to be unfounded, but there are some holding on to hope that there are a Triskelion Yellow stamp fortune hidden somewhere in the world. Number 3. The Sicilian Error of Color 1859, price $2.6 million. The most remarkable thing about the Sicilian Error of Color stamp, other than its immense price point, is how incredibly well preserved it is. Most stamps from the 1800s are naturally worn down from years hiding in boxes waiting to be discovered. However, this stamp featuring the side profile of a bearded man looks as if it was just printed. The stamp was originally printed in yellow but misprinted in a stark blue. 2 copies of the Sicilian Error of Color stamp are known to exist. One of them briefly held the title of World Most Expensive Stamp when it was sold at auction by Dreyfus for $2.6 million in 2011, but that title has since been reclaimed by the British Guiana 1C Magenta. Number 4. Baden 9 Cruiser Error 1851. Price €1.31 million. One of the first stamps issued by the former German state of Baden, it is believed the color error was due to a simple misreading on the part of the printer. The green ink plate was intended to be used for the 6 Cruiser stamp, but the printer likely simply misread the 9 for a 6, resulting in the 4th most expensive stamp in existence. The Baden 9 Cruiser error became known to collectors in 1894 at the Philatelic Club of Berlin. In attendance at the meeting was Baron von Tschim, who showed the stamp to his father and discovered that he had 2 copies of the stamp on letters in his possession. This incredible coincidence accounts for half of the known copies in the world. Number 5. The Inverted Jenny 1918. Price $1.35 million. Perhaps the most famous rare U.S. stamp, the Inverted Jenny, with its small print run and fanciful error, has been a golden goose for philatelists for over a century. Unlike other stamps on this list, there are 100 Inverted Jennies in circulation, but the wider availability makes the stamps even more sought after. The Inverted Jenny is a misprint of a 1918 stamp featuring one of the Jenny biplanes first used by the U.S. Post Office to carry mail. The plane on the face of the stamp was accidentally printed upside down. The U.S. Post Office released several million sheets of Inverted Jenny stamps in 2014 for the 95th anniversary of the misprint. Among the intentionally inverted stamps were 100 non-inverted sheets of stamps, a teasing tribute to the original mistake. The sheets of upright jennies are collector's items in their own rights, selling for as much as $50,000. However, this publicity stunt did cause some controversy, as the U.S. Post Office is not allowed to intentionally print errors. Number 6. 1C Benjamin Franklin Z. Grill 1868, price $935,000. The former Postmaster General of the United States is a popular figure to feature on many U.S. postage stamps. The most valuable of all Benjamin Franklin stamps is the 1C Benjamin Franklin Z Grill, sometimes just referred to as the Z Grill. A grill is an embossed pattern on the face of a stamp used to prevent the reuse of stamps. The U.S. Postal Service used several different types of grills in the early days of the office as they experimented with the best methods to stop fraud. The Z grill was not widely used, but there are George Washington and Abraham Lincoln stamps that also feature the pattern. The Benjamin Franklin Z grill is the rarest, with only 2 known surviving examples. This stamp was last sold at auction for $935,000 in 1998, though one was more recently traded for a block of 4 inverted jennies valued at $3 million. Number 7. 3C George Washington Watt per Byte Grill 1867, price $900,000. The 3C George Washington printed in rose pink is one of the many stamps featuring a portrait of President George Washington released throughout the history of the U.S. Post Office. Rare, old stamps featuring George Washington are always popular collectibles. A 1967 3C George Washington stamp can be purchased for a relatively affordable price if you want to add one to your collection. However, the real prize collectors seek is the 3C George Washington with a B grill pattern across the back. Similar to the Z grill pattern featured on the Benjamin Franklin stamp, the George Washington B grill featured a waffle-like pattern used to catch fraud. There are only 4 stamps known to exist featuring this particular pattern. Number 8. Tiflis Stamp 1857, price $700,000. The Tiflis stamp, also known as the Tiflis Unique, is one of the more interesting-looking rare stamps in the world. With a metallic sheet and embossed lettering, it almost resembles a metal bookplate more than a stamp. It is one of the oldest surviving stamps from the Russian Empire, originating from the city of Tiflis. Unlike most examples on this list, the Tiflis stamp is not highly valued because of a misprint, but rather for the combination of its historical significance, aesthetic novelty, and rarity. There are only 5 of these stamps in existence. Number 9. 24C Declaration of Independence 1869, price $625,000. The 24C Declaration of Independence is a rare example of a collector's stamp that is highly sought after simply because it is a work of art unto itself. This stamp features a highly detailed, 2-tone rendering of John Trimble's famous painting of the presentation of the Declaration of Independence to the Continental Congress. There are 42 individual figures depicted on this stamp, some so small they can only be seen with a magnifying glass. Number 10. Hawaiian Missionaries 1851, price $600,000. Hawaiian Missionaries were the first stamps issued by the Kingdom of Hawaii in 1851. They were issued in 2, 5 and 13-cent valuations and predominantly used by Christian missionaries, thus the nickname. Hawaiian Missionaries were not an uncommon stamp at the time of production, but the stamps were printed on very thin and easily tearable paler paper. Unsurprisingly, most Hawaiian missionaries did not survive to the current day, and the ones that did are mostly damaged. However, this scarcity only raises the value of well-preserved copies. The most valued Hawaiian missionaries are the 2-cent variations used for newspaper circulation. There are 15 in the world, and the most unique variety is a 2-cent stamp used on the cover of a letter alongside a 5-cent. Known as the Dawson cover, it is the only known example of a 2C Hawaiian missionary. Why NordVPN? NordVPN offers 5,200+ secure servers in 60 countries. With one account, you can secure your data on up to 6 devices. Protect yourself and your data online. Securely access apps, websites, entertainment, and more. Get 72% off on 2-year plan plus 3 months free.
Weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.